YouTube, it's your boy back with another video, and today what we are going to do is today, let me take my headset off. So today, my mom got me pop tubes. So I'm going to put everything. So I really only got 3 pop tubes. That's kind of lame, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So I have 7 fidgets because I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 poppets and 3 of these. 4 plus 7. I mean, 4 plus 3 is 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna be putting all these.
Video for YouTube. Hi.
Yeah, that's my babysitter. So I'm gonna put these together. So I'm just gonna go with this one. It's already this one. Very big. Oh my God. It's taller than me. Look how long this is. I can't. Okay. Yeah, I can't like show it full on the screen. Okay, let me set the camera up so you can really see it.
Okay. Primera, allá. So all the way to Rio Alto from the first one. Yeah.
I can't. Wait, I'm gonna do it.
Torres, Media for Mirar and Tormenta.
Okay. I tried to do things so. See if I can hula hoop. I posted a video and I was doing hula hoop. I don't even know you might have.
This one is Pedro's.
Oh crap.
For Natalie.
Okay, this sucks. I have like these puppets. These puppets. I'm gonna make a Fortnite video in like 20 minutes. Okay. But we're really just making a random video right now. You've already seen my room. If you watched the Pain in My House tour, make sure to watch that. Feliz Navidad if you speak Spanish, but if you speak English, Merry Christmas, because Feliz Navidad is Merry Christmas. Feliz is Merry and Navidad is Christmas. And Feliz Cumpleaños is Happy Birthday. So, because it's almost time, and my parents have been hiding presents from me. So look, this is my present. See, it has my name. And there's one up there. And then, oh.
No con this.
Okay. That's it for the end of the video. I hope you guys had a good day. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bells. See you in the next video.